Hey everyone, so I'm just going to show you guys a quick and easy way to do a gel manicure, and I just wanted to let you know ahead of time. If you hear any noise, that's my baby. So this is a little light that it comes with. It's very cute and it's very like you can put it anywhere. It's not bulky and it works really good. So this is the Madame Glam base coat. I'm going to be using that on my nails. My nails are already prepped and ready to go, already filed and the cuticle removed. So I'm going to be applying one coat. And then I'm going to cure my nails with the light. You can cure them for 1 or 2 minutes. I did 2 minutes just to make sure that they were completely dry. And you actually, it has 2 settings. It has the first one for 45 seconds, and if you push the button twice, it is for a whole minute. And I will have a coupon code for you guys. I will leave it down in the description bar below. So if you guys want to check them out, they have all kinds of different gel colors. And when I tell you guys, this is so easy to do your gel nails at home. It is super easy and really convenient. Then I'm going to take the perfect white gel color. This white is super white. You can actually just do one coat if you wanted to, but I went ahead and did 2 coats. I'm just going to be applying it on my nails, and if you do mess up, you can just get a little bit of acetone and go around where the nail polish comes off on the side. Then I'm going to be curing my nails for 2 minutes. Make sure it's completely dry. And then I'm going to do my gel. I'm going to do my thumb, for additional 2 minutes because sometimes the sides stay a little wet. Then we're going to do the top coat to make it look nice and shiny. And then we're going to go in with some alcohol with a cotton ball to wipe it off and make it look even shinier and non-sticky. And this is the final result. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please check out the coupon code below if you guys want to get your own little gel manicure for at home. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.